Hi, Group 2 and 3. Here are your spelling words for your test this week. Number 1 is checkout. At the grocery store, I was waiting in line at the checkout. Checkout. Number 2 is beside. When we were in the busy mall, my mom told me to stay beside her. Beside. Number 3 is without. Do not go outside without your coat. Without. Number 4 is yourself. Remember to be assertive and stick up for yourself. Yourself. Number 5 is somewhere. I can't find my keys, but I know that they're somewhere around here. Somewhere. Number 6 is inside. Because it's cold, we have to stay inside for recess. Inside. Number 7 is sometime. I asked my friends if they would like to go to the movie sometime. Sometime. Number 8 is everyone. If you pass out a prize, make sure that you give one to everyone. Everyone. Number 9 is itself. The dog could walk itself on its leash. Itself. Number 10 is anything. My mom asked if I wanted anything from the store. Anything. Number 11 is myself. At night, I like to read by myself. Myself. Number 12 is somebody. I dropped all of my books. Will somebody help me pick them up? Somebody. Number 13 is nothing. My friend asked if I had her pencil, but when I checked my desk, I had nothing. Nothing. Number 14 is your surprise word. Your surprise word for this week is someday. Someday, I hope to write a famous book. Someday.